Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. We are making a special Sichuan dish today, 干煸牛肉, dry sauteed beef. 干煸 is a cooking style similar to pan grill. It uses little or no oil to get most of the moisture out of the meat or vegetables before adding the seasoning to finish the dish. Here are the ingredients, which you can find the list in the description below. First, we need to slice the beef into slices, then cut into shoestring size. We are going to marinate the beef with soy sauce, cooking wine, and oil only. No need for cornstarch, as we are not stir-frying tender beef. We need to chop up the Chinese celery into the same length as the beef. We are using the Chinese celery because it has stronger flavor compared to the Western celery. We also need to chop up ginger into strings. For the dry red chili, we are going to cut them into thin strips. Now let's cook. Heat up the wok, add some oil, slide in the beef, and saute the moisture out. Once we see large amount of liquid from the initial cooking, drain the liquid out and use medium heat to keep sauteing the beef. Once we cooked out all the liquid and the beef turned into dark brown color, we are going to add the grounded chili and continue sauteing for a few seconds. Then add the red chili strips and ginger and saute for another 30 seconds to cook the flavor into the beef. Add the celery and saute for 1 minute. We'll also add a pinch of salt and sprinkles of sugar to balance the spicy flavor. Turn off the heat, add the Sichuan peppercorn powder, and mix everything well, and the dish is ready. The spicy beef should be little chewy, like jerky, and the celery should be crunchy. This dish is often being served while people would like to have some drinks. We hope you will like this dish and give it a try. Thank you for watching. See you next time. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for weekly updates.